Are you also tired of having to pay a subscription to use Lightroom and are looking for a free alternative? Well, RawTherapee might just be the thing for you. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can install RawTherapee on your Windows 11 PC. So by the way, this method works for every other operating system as well, so you can use this to install RawTherapee on Linux or Mac OS as well. Process is actually pretty simple. All you have to do is head over to rawtherapee.com. I'll leave a link in the description below, and from there you just click on what installer you want. You have the app image for Linux, you have 64-bit Windows, and you have 64-bit Mac OS, and you can even look at the source code because this is an open source program. We are on Windows, so I'm just going to go ahead and download the Windows bit, save it in my dump folder, go ahead and click save, and the download will start. It's a relatively lightweight program, only 43.5 megabytes, so there's not really much you're giving up in terms of space. And then once this downloader is finished downloading, you just go and double click and run it like any other installer. So while this downloads, do not know why the speed is so slow, I will show you how RawTherapee looks when you open it up. So once you've properly installed the whole thing, you will see this about section appear. These are the release notes and version scripts and license and everything. Just click on the close button. RawTherapee will by default open on the better monitor that you have. In my case, it's my laptop's monitor. Detected that and opened up here. And then here is your file browser, your queue, and your editor for you to make all of those changings. If you've been using Lightroom, you will find this interface very similar. And yeah, that's all there is. So if I head over to my file browser and let's see, let me find something for you guys. Yeah, so I will just go to desktop, I'll go to dump, then perma dump, and I have some pending photo edits here in this entire folder. So as you can see, all of my CR2s, all of my JPEGs are right here. So if I open, let's say, this CR2 file, just double click on it, and it automatically brings it up in the editor, and that's it. Now you can start using it. You can start adjusting exposure up and down, your gain threshold. This is going to be your exposure, main compensation, all of your graphs. This is really very simple stuff, the same as you see in Lightroom. I think our downloader should have been finished by now. So yes, so if I open this up in the folder, here is the RawTherapee exe file. Just double click on it to run. It will ask you for some permissions, and that's it. The setup guide has now started. So you just click on it, accept the license agreement, select who you want to install RawTherapee for. So for example, anyone who uses this computer, or you could just install it only for your user. You can add RawTherapee options to the context menu in the file browser. Click next, and then just click the install button to install the program. That's how easy it is. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.